Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala khatimul anbiya'i wal mursaleen. Wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Alhamdulillah, today we are going to start chapter number 4. And this chapter name is Harakat. Harakat is plural word of the Harakat. Harakat means movement. Harakat means movements. There are 3 Harakat: Fatha, Kasrah, and Damma. And Fatha means opening. And Kasrah means puckering the mouth. And Damma means closing the mouth. So these are the names are because related to the mouth. When we read Fatha, we have to open the mouth. That means Fatha means open. And when we say Kasra, we're puckering the mouth down, and Damma for the closing the mouth, like circling the making the lips. Let's start it with our tasmiyah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Fatha always comes on the top of the letter. And you can see here, there's a letter with Fatha on it. That is Fatha. And the spelling method is, first we have to read the name of the letter, then name of the movement, which is Harakat in Arabic, and then sound. First letter, then movement, then sound. This letter name is Hamza. In the shape of alif. We call it Hamza because this is rule. If alif comes with Fatha Damma Kasra, we call it Hamza. Alif always, Madan always comes empty. If it has any sign, any movement except mad sign, so we will call it Hamza because Hamza comes empty or with the mad sign on it. So this is Hamza. We are going to call it Hamza. One more thing I want to tell you, that if these are the harakat, if any letter has harakat on it, we will call it mutaharrik. This is Hamza, mutaharrik. Let's start it. Hamza, Fatha, Hamza, the makhraj of Hamza is the bottom of throat, behind the chest, most bottom part of throat. So from here, Hamza, Kasra, E. Hamza, Damma, U. Sounds only E, U. The prolonged duration is equal to just one tick. Just tick. Not longer, not longer, or not like a majhul. Majhul means like other than sounds which are not related to Arabic. And Arabic sound is called ma'ruf. This is ma'ruf sound. Arabic sounds are the ma'ruf sound, like E, U. What is majhul sound is E, U. That is majhul. So read with ma'ruf sound, E, U. Next letter is circle ha, come from bottom of throat. Hamza is coming bottom of throat, ha is coming from bottom of throat. These letters in these chapters coming according to the makharij in order. Those letters which coming from the same makhraj, you will see in this chapter together. Like Hamza and Ha come from the bottom of throat. These are throat letters. That's why they are together in this chapter. Let's start it. Ha, Fatha, Ha. Ha, Kasra, Hi. Ha, Damma, Hu. Ha, Hi, Hu. Let's go to the next page, and you can see here there's Ain, Ha. Same makhraj, middle throat. Ghain, Kha, same makhraj, top of throat. These are throat letters, 6 throat letters. First Hamza Ha, then Ain Ha, then Ghain, Kha. Why they are coming together? Because in this chapter, letters are coming in order according to the makharij. Qaf and Kaf are not from the same makhraj, but very qaribul makhraj, you can say. They're very, like Qaf comes from the root of the tongue, and that's soft palate, which is around the uvula. And Kaf is thin, light letter, root of the tongue, and the hard palate. Okay, let's start it. Ain, Fatha, Ain, Kasrah, Ain, Damma, Ha, Fatha, Ha, Ha, Kasrah, Hi, Ha, Damma, Hu, Ha, Hi, Hu. Ghain, Fatha, Gha, Ghain, Kasrah, Ghi, Ghain, Damma, Ghu, Gha, Ghi, Ghu. Kha, Fatha, Kha. Mostly people read in rush, in hurry, in fast, like they say Kha, Fatha, Kha. Read proper name, 2 seconds per long duration. It's in name, Kha. Then say Fatha, then Kha. Sound is Kha, not the name is Kha. Kha, Fatha, Kha. Kha, Kasrah, Khi. Kha, Damma, Khu. Kha, Khi, Khu. Qaf, Fatha, Qa. Qaf, Kasrah, Qi. Qaf, Damma, Q. There's echo in these sounds. Qa, Qi, Q. This is echo. Q, 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 Qi, Q. Then its kaf comes from the root of the tongue and the hard palate, and in its nature there's no echo, there's breath. Kaf, Fatha, Ka. Kaf, Kasrah, Ki. Kaf, Damma, Ku. Ka, Ki, Ku. This is method how to read with spelling the mutaharrik letters with harakat. All the letters from Hamza to Ya or Alif to Ya, you have to read like that. But there's one thing I want to share with you in this chapter. This letter, Ra, you can see Ra with Fatha has green color. Ra with Kasra has no green color. Ra with Damma has again green color. Because Ra sometimes bold and sometimes light. There's seven always bold letters. Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Ra, Ghain, and Qaf. The combination of these letters is Khussa, Dagtin, Qil. These letters always sounds bold. Some letters sounds bold, sometimes sounds thin, light. So these letters are the sounds bold. And some letters sometimes sounds bold and sometimes light. This is Ra, one of them. Ra sometimes bold, sometimes light. You can see the next to Ra, there's Ta from 7 always bold letters. Ta, you can see Ta with Fatha green color, Ta with Kasra green color, Ta with Damma with green color. Because Ta is from 7 always bold letters. Khussa, Dagtin, Qid. Always sounds bold. In all conditions, in all situations. But Ra is not one of them. Ra is not from 7 bold letters. Ra sometimes bold, sometimes light. So you have to remember the conditions of the Ra, when it's bold, when it's light. Ra with Fatha bold, Ra with Damma bold, Ra with light, Kasra light. Ra, Fatha, Ra. Ra, Kasra, Ri. Ra, Damma, Ru. Ra, Ri, Ru. Okay, let's complete here. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept it and reward us best in here and thereafter. Jazakumullahu khairan kathiran fid dunya wal akhirah. Ameen. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam said, a person who read Quran with difficulty will get double rewards. Sadaqallahu al-azim wa sadaqa rasuluhu an-nabiyyul kareemul ameen. Allahumma salli wa sallim wa zid wa barik ala rasulillah wa alihi al-athhar, ala rasulillah wa ashabihi al-akhyar. Fi amanillahi wa rasul.